Panthers! This video is going to teach you how to do an easy cartoon panther face. Start with a blank piece of paper and hold it longways or landscape. Fold it in half and then fold it in half again. As we fold, we'll notice that there are lines on our paper. These lines are going to help us know where to draw. Once your paper is folded, start about halfway down on the halfway mark and draw a circle, just half of a circle going up, like an upside down smiley face. Now you're going to finish the circle. This is going to be the start of the panther's head, but make it go in just a little bit there. That's going to form a chin. Do the same thing on the other side. So now we have a circle that's a little bit bent at the bottom. Next up is the nose. On the bottom half of the paper, you're going to draw a triangle with the pointy side up and the flat side on bottom. Underneath the triangle, draw a straight line going down and two curvy smile lines going up for the mouth. The red cross is in the very center of the paper where the two folds meet. It's going to help us know where to put our eyes. The eyes go above the cross on either side of the paper. And you're going to draw a frown and then a smile. And when the frown and the smile meet, you have two almond-shaped eyes. Inside the eye, draw a circle. Now the face is done. Time to move on to the ears. The ears are going to be two half circles at the top of the head. Draw another circle and one inside. Now the basics are done. Don't forget those whiskers. Whiskers go under the eyes right next to the nose. Now you can stop here and just color the rest of the face, but if you want to do a little extra, we're going to add highlights to the eyes. So start with a little circle and then a bigger circle that meets the little circle. Just watch. Make sure you put highlights on both eyes in the same spot. They're both on the left side of the eye. And then we're coloring in the centermost circle black because that's his pupil. Now we're all done. Now let's add some color. We got a red nose, green eyes, and we're going to color the rest of the panther face black. To get the inside of the ears darker, just press harder on your crayon. Make sure to color all the way in, leave no white spaces, and don't forget those eyebrows. That's it! I hope you enjoyed drawing your panther face. If you want to, you can add bows or eyelashes or even a background to your drawing.